Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to connect TradingView to Kucoin in 2025. If you're into crypto trading and want to place real orders directly from TradingView, this is exactly what you need. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Make sure you have a Kucoin account. If you don't, head over to kucoin.com and sign up. It's free and quick. Step 2. Now go to tradingview.com and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, create one. Step 3. Once you're logged in, click on the chart tab at the top. Step 4. In the chart view, click on symbol in the top left corner and search for Kucoin. Step 5. Choose the crypto pair you want to trade like BTC, USDT, ETH, or USDT, whatever suits your strategy. Step 6. At the bottom of the chart, click on the trading panel tab. Step 7. From the list of brokers, find Kucoin and click the connect button next to it. Step 8. Now here's the important part. You need your API key and API secret from Kucoin. To get them, log into your Kucoin account, go to API management and create a new API key. Make sure to enable trading permissions, that's crucial. Step 9. Copy the API key and secret, then paste them into TradingView when prompted. Step 10. Click connect and that's it. You're now linked. You can place trades directly from your TradingView charts to Kucoin. It's that simple. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe for more quick guides and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.